In a world where the ocean's whispers held secrets, a young philosopher named Kai pondered the nature of tsunamis. "Why do they rise so fiercely?" he asked the waves. The ocean replied, "I am the breath of the earth, a reminder of nature's power and fragility." Kai realized that tsunamis, like life's challenges, were unpredictable yet transformative. They reshaped landscapes and lives, urging humanity to adapt and grow. As Kai watched the horizon, he understood that wisdom lay in embracing change, finding strength in vulnerability. "We are all waves," he mused, "part of a greater ocean.